Today I am excited to introduce you to our brand new Mirri Sparkle Glitter Paper collection. This includes 11 colors in the Mirri Sparkle line, and it's a thinner glitter paper. So if you're familiar with American Crafts POW glitter paper, this is going to be very similar. It's thin, lightweight, and it cuts great on Cricut or Silhouette machines, which is one of the best-selling features. So let me introduce you to all 11 colors. All right, so first up is Evergreen, and this is a great Christmas green. You can see it's highly sparkly, just a fun forest or pine green. Then we have Absinthe. I think this is such a fun Halloween green, kind of like a witch green if you imagine that. And it's good for like lime green. And then Sunburst is going to be kind of a yellowish version of that. Both of these are kind of a lime green, but you've got a yellow tone and then a green tone. All right, next up is Desert Sand and Gold. These two are very similar as well. The Desert Sand just has a bit more of like a rose gold tone to it. And then Gold Touch. Then we have Silver. Next up we have Wild Orchid. This is a really pretty purple. Again, fun for Halloween. And then Pink Sapphire. This is a sparkly pink. Red Wagon. This one's probably my favorite. It's called Twilight, and it's kind of a bluish purple, just a really unique color. I think maybe you could call it periwinkle, but it's really pretty. And then Black Diamond. All 11 colors are available now, and one of the things I think is so great about this paper, like I said, it cuts great. So here is an example of a card where I cut some smaller detailed pieces out, and it just cuts really clean and smooth. And it also leaves no shedding. So regular glitter paper has that kind of rough sandpaper finish, and this doesn't. It's fairly smooth, and when you cut it, it does not leave glitter shed on your mat or on your work surface. So it's a great way to get that glitter look without all of the mess, because glitter is messy. So this is Mirri Sparkle. Go check it out over at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop and add some to your card.